Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making another delicious rice video. If you like rice, well-seasoned rice, then this video is for you. So we are going to get started. So to make this recipe, I used 2 cups of parboiled rice and I added 3 cups of water to the pot. And then I'm adding 1 pack of Sazon seasoning as well as 1 teaspoon of tropical Sazon seasoning. And we are going to stir and then also add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and we continue stirring. So I'm going to boil this for about 30 minutes and after that we are going to check if the rice is well cooked and I'm going to add 1 last cup of water. So over here I checked and I added 1 last cup of water. So it seems like for this recipe you needed 2 cups of rice with 2 cups of water at the same time. So that's how much water I needed to cook my rice. So over here I am cutting my plantain. The plantain looked like it was ripe, but it was not ripe. It was still raw inside. I just put it in the fridge. That's how it turned brown. So after fighting with my plantain, guys, I just went ahead and did it off camera. You're going to see that my plantain is already peeled and I'm just cutting it off. So over here, you want to go ahead and dice your plantain in this kind of shape or maybe smaller than that. But I decided to cut it diagonally, as you guys can see over here. So after cutting our plantains, we are going to go ahead and fry them. So in this pan, I added some oil. I made sure that the pan was covered in oil. And then I went ahead and started frying my plantains. So for the frying time, you just want to fry them until they're brown or crispy. And that's when you will know that they're ready. So over here, I'll just flipping my plantains to make sure that they were ready. Now that they're ready, we are going to go ahead and put them on the paper towel. Now that we are done frying our plantains, we are going to go ahead and also take out the excess oil from the pan and start making other ingredients. So to the same pan, I just left a little bit of oil and I'm adding about a half cup of onions and we're going to stir fry them for a little bit. And then next we are going to go ahead and add in our peppers. So this is our green and yellow peppers. I'm going to saute them for a little bit. So after that, we are going to go ahead and add in 3 cups of frozen peas and we are going to go ahead and mix everything together. So after adding our frozen vegetables, we are going to go ahead and add some seasoning. So I'm adding in some salt-free garlic and herb, salt-free chipotle seasoning, and we added in some smoked paprika, onion powder, and cumin powder. And we are going to go ahead and mix everything together. So for every ingredient I've used in this video, I'm going to leave it in the description below. So over here, we are going to go ahead and start combining everything together. So in this pan, I'm adding in some sesame oil and I went ahead and poured out all the ingredients that I used. And then next, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and continue mixing for a little bit. And then we are going to go ahead and add in 1 last seasoning. That's my adobo seasoning. And after that, guys, we are going to continue mixing and we are going to add everything together. So over here, guys, I'm just adding all my rice that I cooked before. So after adding our rice, we are going to mix it for a little bit. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and add in my plantains and we're going to mix that together. And then we are going to add our last garnish, which is my scallion onions and some butter. This is about 2 teaspoons of butter and we continue mixing And this is it, guys. This rice was very flavorful, very tasty, and it was really, really good. I had to share my video. It was a random video as usual. So I wanted to share with you guys because this recipe is really good, especially when I make it for maybe a party or something. It's really good. I ate my rice with some pork chops and it was really good. So I just want to say thank you for watching my channel, for subscribing. I'll definitely see you next time when I make something new. Bon appetit. Bye.